Hello, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Previous class, we have finished chapter 1 of moral science that was based on good behavior. Today, we are going to start the second chapter that is based on compassion, means sympathy, empathy, care, concern, brotherly love, kindness, charity. All this comes under compassion. So, what is a compassion is? A compassion is a non-judgmental emotion that we practice to ease pain and show genuine love to one another. Here are some ways you can positively impact someone's day using skills like empathy, patience, and understanding. So, compassion is a non-judgmental emotion that we can use to ease someone's pain and show our genuine love to others. We can use those words to make them comfortable. Some ways are also mentioned. First one, be considerate. Be equally considerate to friends, family, and strangers. Listen fully without judgment and give each person your full attention. No texting, no phone calls, no seeming to be bored. Use direct eye contact and keep your ears open to their needs. So, when someone wants to share something with you, you should listen to it. Not busy with your phone or not showing them that you are bored. Look directly into their eyes and tell them, I am there to listen. Just say. Be affectionate. Sometimes all people really need is a loving touch, a sincere hug, or a warm smile. Some gestures of affection, even a pat on the hand, help ease strain and show your genuine compassion. So sometimes people is so stressed that if you go and give them a loving touch, if you pat them on their hand or give a warm smile, they feel that the pain is gone away, that someone is there to help them. Communicate in a warm way. Let your genuine interest in helping the other person show through heartfelt communication. You can make a world of difference by simply listening and talking in a warm, patient manner. Use encouraging vocabulary, be optimistic, and concentrate on showing complete understanding. So, when someone is saying, I cannot do this, you should be like, no, you have the capacity, you can do it. There is nothing that human being cannot do. You say such kinds of encouraging words, then person become automatically encouraged and they also feel good. Then show some empathy. Empathy is showing that you understand another's feelings or emotions. You identify with the situation and care enough to place yourself in another's shoes. I understand is a great way to communicate this. So when someone is saying something, yes, I can understand your pain. I have also gone through this, or I can place myself in your side and I can relate to the incident. So these words give a great impact. Be selfless. To help someone else, you have to take your own needs out of the equation. Put your focus and energy on the other person. Be selfless and limit any distractions or personal goals as long as you are committed to the needs of another. So when someone needs something, you should selflessly give the thing. You should not expect anything in return. Practice acts of kindness. Go out of your way to be kind. You can treat someone to small things like a new book, frozen yogurt, or just a laugh to brighten even the toughest of days. You can also volunteer at time, offering to babysit, run errands, etc. for anyone with a lot of weight on their shoulders. So when we are helping others, that is called practice of kindness. With a person with a lot of weight on their heads, if you offer them that I can do this work for you, or if you give them a small gift, as a token of gesture, that is also a great thing. Then send a meaningful message. Send compassionate feelings via simple text message to someone you care about. Just tell them you were thinking of them and you love them. A simple way to show they matter to you. So a meaningful message that yes, I'm with you. When you send some kind of messages to one person, yes, they also feel that yes, that person is with me. Hi, hello, how are you? If you ask that also, it's a very great thing, because nowadays people are so busy that they don't have time for anything. So when we reach small message like hi, hello, how are you? How's the family doing? That is also a very great thing for us. Then show unconditional love. This is a total approach towards showing compassion in every area of life. Don't just hear but listen without judgment. Be extremely present in the conversation. Give sound advice, offer your hugs, and love freely. Be understanding, and above all, love unconditionally. So, only to listen or only to hear is not the only thing. When you are fully present in the conversation, and you also give them advice, you give them a hug, or you love them, that's a great thing. It's a total approach towards showing compassion. And above all, love them unconditionally. When you love someone unconditionally without expecting anything in return, that's a great thing. While compassionate action is second nature to some, anyone can learn to use these skills to make any family, friends, and strangers feel a little happier and feel a little more loved each day. So, when we use these things, we can make anyone feel little happy, and they will also feel that they are also important in someone's life. So, this is what about compassion is given. Rest of the stories and all we will do in the next class. I hope you all have understood. Thank you and have a wonderful day.